Nicobar Sparrowhawk Tachyspiza butleri, the rare forest hunter of the Nicobar Islands. Meet the Nicobar Sparrowhawk, a rare and elusive bird of prey found only in the remote Nicobar Islands of India. Small and secretive, this sparrowhawk measures about 28 to 34 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 50 to 57 centimeters. It's a shy but vocal raptor, known for its short, pointed wings, a mid-length tail, and a strong, heavy bill. This species can be confused with the more widespread Shikra, but is noticeably smaller and lighter in color. One of its key features is a single dark band near the tip of the tail, unlike the multiple bands seen in the Shikra. The females are browner above, with bold red-brown barring on the chest. Adults have bright orange-yellow eyes, yellow legs, and a greenish-yellow cere, while juveniles show rufous upperparts, pale underparts streaked in reddish-brown, and two tailbands instead of one. This elusive bird is rarely seen and inhabits the upper canopy of dense primary forests, usually at elevations below 100 meters. It avoids open areas and scrublands completely. Its diet appears to consist mainly of lizards, though some insects are also taken. Surprisingly, very little is known about its hunting behavior or breeding habits. A nest has been recorded 12 meters up in a fig tree, and while breeding activity has been noted in both February and September, it's unclear if they breed more than once a year. The Nicobar Sparrowhawk is classified as vulnerable. The main threat to this bird is habitat loss, driven by deforestation, agricultural expansion, and development, especially after large-scale human settlement began in the late 1960s. The 2004 tsunami also destroyed key forest areas, potentially worsening the impact by increasing agricultural pressure. This mysterious forest hawk remains one of India's least understood raptors. Have you ever seen a sparrowhawk? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife.